Blue Scooter Tech here. This video is on the Powoxi 12 volt 20 watt solar battery charger and maintainer. It is designed to charge and maintain 12 volt batteries such as a car battery, lawn tractor battery, or motor scooter battery. It also comes with a small USB charger attachment for charging small electronic devices. It has a DC output of 12 volts, 2 amps. So solar panel is a monocrystalline panel. Again, 12 volts, 20 watts. It is very compact in size, which I'll show you later. If you look at the website that Powoxi has, it shows that it is waterproof and that it can take a drop. I would not recommend tossing your panel, but it shows it. Due to its compact size, I believe that this panel could also be taken on a hiking or camping trip to charge your small electronic devices such as your phone, or if you had a 12 volt battery in a battery box, it would maintain that as you went. Powoxi sent me this unit to do a short video on and to test. I'm also going to show how I intend to use it to charge my lawn tractor battery and my motor scooter battery over a long, cold Vermont winter. The packet arrived in a double box setup, and it contains the following items. As you can see, it has a solar panel. It has an 8 amp charge controller. It comes with a small USB attachment for charging phones and things of that nature. It has a nicely illustrated manual. It comes with this card to thank you for buying it, and it also includes contact information with the company. Including with the package are a pair of alligator clips for connecting to your battery. The connectors in this kit are the standard SAE connectors. As you can see, the panel is quite small when compared to my HQST 100 watt panel. In fact, it looks like it's about 1/4 the size. The panel itself, again, is a monocrystalline silicone, 20 watts, 12 volts. It weighs 4 pounds, and its dimensions are 16.3 by 15.4 by 0.8 inches in size. It's made of a rugged plastic material that seems quite sturdy. Has a kickstand in the back for when you set it up. And there's a blue indicator light, there you go, that shines when the panel is detecting a light. Connecting the panel is rather simple. The company recommends you take the SAE connector and connect it to the charge controller first, like this. When you do, these two lights will light up to indicate that it's ready. Since I'm inside now, it's probably not showing that. I will take it outside in a few minutes to demonstrate that. Once I connect that, I can connect this connection which are the alligator clips. One for the positive, one for the negative terminals of your battery. I can also connect the included USB charger directly to this. And again, I should be able to charge some small electrical devices. I'll be taking this outside and showing the typical setup. I am outside now. It's a balmy 29 degrees here in Vermont. And the panel is set up, and I'll show you the connections. Connecting the SAE connectors, and this time you'll probably be able to see that both the green light and the red light are shining, indicating that it's ready to go. I will now connect the charge controller to the battery. Again, utilizing the SAE connectors, I quickly connect it and then attach the alligator clips to the correct terminal. Black on negative, red on positive. Now on the charge controller, only the red light down here shows up. When the red and green come back on together, that means your battery is charged. I'll leave it out here for a few minutes to see what happens. My goal is to set up the Powoxi battery maintainer charger outside, permanently attached, and then run the cabling through my cellar window, down into the cellar, and connect it to my batteries so that I can maintain and charge it over the winter. This is a good spot for that because I got a lot of light from the south going across the open field to the west. So I'm getting a lot of light during the day, even in the winter time. So I think a setup, putting the panel out here, running the wires through the cellar window and down into the basement should work well. I plan on using a piece of wood like this, drilling a hole through it with a big enough diameter for the SAE connector to pass through, and then, I apologize it's hard to see, but I would slide my window to the right, insert that board in there, run the cabling through it, slide the window back, making a secure, tight fit, caulking it to make sure that it's watertight, and then run the cable down here, setting up a table where I'll put the two batteries on, the one for my motor scooter and the one for my lawn tractor. As you can see, I have installed the wood. I'll be drilling the hole later, and the window fits snugly against it. I plan on waterproofing it, insulating it, and running the cable in either down below or get an extending cable and run it further to my work table. To use the USB charger, simply take the adapter, plug it into the panel directly, a red light does come on to show that it's charging, and it's hard to see, but my Amazon Fire tablet is charging. So it's a nice little handy device to have. So in conclusion, I would say so far that the Powoxi 12-volt, 20-watt solar battery charger maintainer seems to be a good system. It looks durable, well built, easy connections, and so far it seems to be doing what it's intended to do. I will report back later once I get it connected and charging my battery and seeing how long it see how well it maintains it. But at this moment, I think it's a good buy, and I thank Powoxi for sending me this unit to evaluate and do a short video on. Thank you.